Now, basically, folks, I'm very upset with the government. I'm not saying state government or central government, because if I say state, I am pro-center. If I say center, I am pro-state. So I'm not saying that. I'm just saying government. I'm upset with the government because I grew and colored my beard. Take a look, please. Yeah, this is not a natural color. I'm 33 years old, so, white I had to put in. Now, I did that so I could fit into the 60 plus category for the vaccine. And now they've announced 45 plus is ready from April 1st. Kya karega main? I've already invested in this. It costs money. You can't get this look just like that. It's called the week that wasn't. All right, my friends, the financial year starts next week. This is only for those of you who still have money, so it's not the start of the show. I don't know why, unnecessarily, I just forget about it. Ignore that comment. Ignore, please. Parambir Singh versus English news anchor. Now, he needed state support to fight the centre. Now, the Sachin Vaze case, Parambir needs centre support to fight the state. See, this is why our police salute all VIP regardless of politics. Politicians are like doctors. You never know which one you need when. So just salute and keep walking. Dattatreya Hosabale has taken over as RSS General Secretary. Yes, the question we are all asking is whether he'll bring shorts back. I'm a big fan of shorts, and not just on Baywatch. Mumbai cops fined 1.5 lakh citizens for no masks this month, thereby earning 3.6 crores. Still, target is 100 crores. So, ye kya hai? It's not enough. Work harder. Work harder, boys. Work harder. Many couples on receiving 2 jabs are going off on couple holidays. Please listen carefully. The jabs help save you from corona. They cannot save you from your marriage. But then there are two jabs, so maybe the second one, I don't know. The first one definitely COVID specific. Noted academic Pratap Bhanu Mehta resigned from the prestigious Ashoka University on the grounds that he wasn't allowed to criticize the government. Now, this is the difference between North Korea and India. Here he resigned. In North Korea, you would not have heard from him ever again. Also China. Where's Jack Ma? Anybody? No one's seen him. The worst fallout of all this, Pratap is a friend. Now, how do I get my son into Ashoka? Because in India, you need to pull the string, and the string has been pulled out, and now I don't know how to pull any strings. I've got a solution to solve this, though. To criticize or not to criticize the government is this big question. Why don't we just introduce it in the syllabus as a subject? Then from the beginning, everyone will know where they stand. In fact, it's quite a short subject. You don't criticize. All will pass. In China, they've introduced a polar bear hotel. You heard that correctly. A polar bear hotel is there in China. Basically, you can view polar bears from any room in the hotel. Many customers are not happy, especially business customers. They prefer the previous entertainment. You know, that pornography. The guy gets away from his family. He spends 3 days in a nice business hotel, and then he doesn't want to see the polar bears. He wants to see the mares. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Maharashtra government in turmoil. Delhi cuts drinking age to 21 and Holi cancelled because of COVID. And before we get into our top story, the compliments are coming in. I don't know what to say. Here's an email which says, how come John Abraham is doing this show? A text just came in from where? From Pratiksha itself saying, is that a young Amitabh Bachchan? And then there's one from my wife which says, cover more of your face, it's good for television. ठीक है, critics तो बहुत है. We don't care about critics, we care about you. We care about the stories which include our top story. A police officer arrested for planting a bomb, a police commissioner shunted out, a home minister facing allegations, and a government under question. Also an opposition making the most of it every 2 minutes. This is what is happening in Maharashtra and specifically in Mumbai. Also, metro is not complete. I'm not criticizing. I'm part of the people who are criticized. But who knows what the real story is? We have it here on our show, and to discuss it, joining us now is the alleged spokesperson. Always remember, these aren't real people, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know who they are. Alleged spokesperson for Mumbai Police and a very alleged IPS officer, Karamveer Singham, being represented here. Let's take a look. Who is this gentleman? Ladies and gentlemen, please digest this, because never in the history of Indian cinema of any kind has an actual police officer behaved like this, that too a very senior one. And when they said your name was Karamveer Singham, I thought you would look like Ajay Devgan, sir.
So what do you want me to do? The problem is not that I don't look like Ajay Devgan. The problem is my wife doesn't look like Kajol.
And my wife's name is Aisha, but not Takya. So, you know, we don't get what we want always in life, all right? Whether you're police or not. Now, let's talk about the Mumbai police.
Ata Maji Satakli.
Satakli, why?
Satakli. I am very upset.
But why are you saying everything twice? Why are you so upset?
All these people are spoiling the name of the Mumbai police.
Spoiling the name of the Mumbai police. Okay, how?
That API, what is his name?
Sachin Vaze, everybody knows his name.
They are spoiling his name. His name is pronounced Vaze. Vaze, not Vaze.
No, you can't just do that. It's pronounced Vaze. We've researched it. It's Vaze, that's his name. Okay, let's get to the issue at hand. Ex-Commissioner Mumbai has claimed that the Home Minister asked him to collect hafta of 100 crores a month.
That is impossible. Impossible.
Again, he's saying it twice. Impossible. Why?
Because how can you collect hafta of 100 crores a month? Hafta means week. So it should be 100 crores a week.
Or you should say hafte, because then it could be many weeks, in which case you're not admitting to anything. But you are admitting that there was a demand.
I am not admitting to any such thing. All I am saying is that this whole issue needs to be probed properly.
Well, I think that's finally something good.
The central government is looking for a competent authority to probe this whole issue.
Competent authority like the CBI, the IB, NIA.
Depends. If it is up to the central government, the case will first go to the CBI, then it will go to the ED, then the NCB will get involved, but it will get finally solved by the ENC.
I've heard this. I know this. Give me a second. ENC is...
English news channels.
No, I've never heard of that. That I've no. Ours is like 80% English, 20% nobody knows what language. Okay, let's talk about transfers within the police force. This is huge. Apparently, there have been 86 transfers since the Vaze controversy.
So what?
No, so just tell me, is it an attempt to clean up the Mumbai police? Is that the background of all this?
These transfers are normally routine. They don't clean up anything. In fact, we have to stop all other kind of transfers if you want to clean up this system.
What other kind of transfers?
Other kind of transfers, like when a senior police officer transfers from BJP to Shiv Sena, or Shiv Sena to BJP, or BJP to Shiv Sena, to Congress to NCP. You get my point?
Are you going to name every political party? I mean, there's no point to do. I mean, yes, we have got the point. But apparently there are some transfers, which are called punishment transfers. You know, certain postings which are clearly punishments for the police.
There are some like that. You're right. Like, for example, transfer to local arms division, which is seen as a punishment posting within the police force.
Yes.
Or transfer to Malabar Hill police station.
Right next to home. Why Malabar Hill police station?
Because the most serious crime ever reported in the Malabar Hill police station is lost cat, lost dog and neighbors fighting. Absolutely no chance of solving any cases.
My cousin, Mr. Dhawan from opposite, he lost his dog and they returned a cat. So, you're right. They don't seem to be so involved in that area. Go on.
And the absolutely worst transfer is Home Guard.
That's where the ex-commissioner has been transferred. So why is the Home Guards the worst punishment? And can you answer the question by actually saying why the Home Guards is the worst punishment?
Transfer to Home Guards is the worst punishment because they hate you so much that they want you to sit at home.
And because of COVID, being at home is no fun. Same people, same faces, social distancing, koi controversy, koi variety, nothing. I get it. I totally accept your very lazy gag. Thank you very much, sir. Very good. So that was one part of the story. But what do we know about Sachin Vaze himself? I mean, what kind of man is this man? He's almost like a phantom. Nobody knows anything about him. But we've dug up a guy who grew up with him and is also in the police force. Let's meet Sachin Vaze's friend who's going to expose everything. All you wanted to know about Sachin Vaze from his friend, intimate contact, Bobby. Bobby ji.
Let me correct you, Sachin Vaze my friend.
What? Yes, Sachin Vaze, your friend.
No, Sachin Vaze my friend, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Yes, he Vaze my friend.
Oh, yeah, I understood that. He was your friend and now he's not your friend. Why is he no longer your friend?
Many reasons, but mostly he borrowed my kurta in 2008 for a common friend Shadi. You know, we used to frequent shadis to demand money.
Yeah, that's a common practice, I'm told. And
Then he told me he lost my kurta.
he lost your kurta. Okay.
And then I saw Sachin. Why was he wearing the same kurta from the CCTV footage at Carmichael Road, which they showed?
Why was he wearing the same kurta? Okay, good point.
Sachin was lying to me, Bobby, for 13 years. 13 years.
He was lying to you for 13 years about wearing the kurta. Are you sure it's your kurta?
I asked him what was the need to do that, and you know what was his reply?
May I ask what was his reply?
He put the phone down on me. Was this necessary?
It was not necessary, but you seem more agitated than is necessary.
Anyway, Sachin was only a pawn in this mamla.
That's a good way of putting it. In fact, that's what everybody's asking. So if he's just a pawn in this mamla, who's behind it?
International conspiracy.
No. Did you say international conspiracy?
See, a Toyota Innova was involved, so Japan.
It was a Scorpio.
Mercedes was involved, so Germany.
Okay.
Crude bomb parts were from China, so was it China's hand too?
Was it? I don't know.
And sadly, I have a confession. I too was involved.
You two was involved. You were part of this whole thing.
Yes, Sachin was wearing my kurta, remember?
But this makes very little sense to me. Who and why were they trying to bomb somebody? I mean, right? It just
All the rubbish. There was no plot to blow up anything.
What do you mean no plot to blow up anything?
The reason the car was kept in Carmichael Road was simple.
Yeah, okay, please tell us.
The crime branch is in Crawford Market area. Now there is a huge parking problem.
I see.
They couldn't find parking for the Toyota.
Scorpio.
They couldn't find parking for the Scorpio. So they parked it in Carmichael Road.
There's no parking in Carmichael Road.
I mean, the word is Carmichael Road. Cars are welcome. So was Sachin wearing my kurta that time.
All this is over a dispute over parking in Carmichael Road? Wearing a kurta? It's very difficult to understand what we're trying to do with this show. I try to introspect from time to time and I'm not able to tell you. If you want to take an enema for this show and cleanse the system, I don't know what we'll get because this has really been heartbreaking for all of us. I apologize for those two actors who may or may not have been the same person, I can't remember. But we'll take a quick break and then we'll come back and we'll get some hard facts, some truth. We'll unearth something. Oh, maybe we won't. Come back. Welcome back. Let's start with some patriotic news. Imran Khan. It was from the old teleprompter, so there was I'll just get this right. This is the start. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, got the virus a few days after taking a Chinese vaccine shot. Now, poor Imran, if he took the American one, hardliners in Pakistan would criticize him. If he took the Indian one, the whole country would be after him. So he goes and takes the Chinese one. And now he's got the disease. What is the moral of the story? Don't take something just because it's free. I return this coat after I shoot, I immediately take it off and I walk out naked. I give it back. Don't take something just because it's free. See what happened? We created Bangladesh. No charge. No charge. Joe Biden referred to Kamala as the president rather. He's been fumbling a lot, folks, fumbling all the time. And unkind members of the BJP, yeah, there are a few, they are saying he should talk to Rahul. Sorry, Rahul. We couldn't resist. It's not fair to you. It's not fair to you that you're painted this way because you're not like that, but we couldn't resist it and some people are laughing. Stop that. Okay, by the way, the Chinese government official report has just come in. I have it here. I'll read it in original Mandarin. Pakistan. It says, we always test on Pakistanis before deeming it safe for Chinese citizens. The 67 National Film Awards have been announced by the Directorate of Film Festivals, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Yes, it's all one family. The Sushant Singh Rajput starrer Chichore won Best Hindi Film and the Kangana Ranaut won the Best Actress. The Kangana, as in the Kangana, won the Best Actress. Do we need to say anything more? I mean, let's talk about free and fair elections coming up in Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Assam, and one more place. You'll come back to me. The Delhi government this week announced that the legal drinking age in the city has been brought down from 25 to 21. Immediately everybody's happy, whoever's watching this. I don't know why we all feel better that, we can drink earlier. For some reason, that just tells you where society is headed. हाँ ठीक है, अभी तो पी सकते हैं बेटा, आजा, homework बाद में कर लो. Come. Okay, let's meet professional alcoholic from Delhi. Yes, there is such a person, Mr. K.N. Saxena. Saxena bhai or Saxena ji, firstly, let's understand that you are a professional alcoholic.
Yes, complete professional. I drink for the money.
Oh, drink for money, I see. And
And when I run out of the money, I stop drinking.
that is the very definition of professional alcoholic. Fabulous. So it's not your job per se.
Oji, let me put it out this way. I have the two jobs.
You have two jobs. One is professional alcoholic and the other would be...
Zomato delivery. Tenu ki chahiye? You need anything, I'll get it. You just give me a call.
I'm good. I'm good. Don't worry. Let's just chat. Thank you so much though.
Also, don't criticize me. I never do both the jobs together.
Thank God. I mean, really.
Oji, I drink only after I park my bike. Never while riding. Oji, na ji na bilkul nahi.
And let that be a lesson to all watching. Do not ride and drink at the same time. Go on.
It is not a moral issue, just practical. How can I hold the delivery bag and the glass and ride my bike at the same time? Not possible. But try kiya, par ho nahi pa raha.
Let's hope you never try, sir. Let's hope you never try.
Or anyway, in Delhi we are so happy.
I was thinking all the Delhiites must be delirious with this news.
Especially the school and the college children.
Pardon? Did you say school and college children because of the drinking license being lowered to 21?
Oji, yes. When it was 25, all the fake drinking permits were made by the 20-year-olds.
I see, okay.
Now that is lowered to 21. It is the 15 and the 16-year-olds who benefit. Lying must also have an appropriate margin. Na bhai sahab? Samajh rahe ho aap?
You're a visionary. I just thought you'd be a guy who's giving us flippant comments, but the guy's thinking ahead. Good to know. There's some level of honesty and integrity in all our time-honored jugaad practices. I think that's very important.
Oji, haan ji, we want to help the situation, not undermine it. Samjhe bhai sahab?
Okay, fair enough. But what about the other side? Fear of kids, getting into drunk driving, drugs, fights, illicit sex, all kinds of things.
Those are very minor crimes, bhai sahab.
Compared to?
Compared to what the Delhi male is capable after 4 drinks.
Which is?
Oji, murder or worse.
Or worse. Okay, alright, okay. But this will help the alcohol business at least, positively speaking?
Yes, but there is a worry.
There is a worry, which would be?
They will also lower the voting age.
No, but how is that a problem?
Oh, bhai sahab, we need more drinkers in India, but less voters.
Right.
See, voting is equal to elections. Elections is equal to dry days. And dry days is equal to Peena Band.
Okay.
Then what was the point of lowering the drinking age? Voting nahi karna, daru pee.
Alright. I think he's already had a few too many. I honestly think he should have... Yeah, he's asking for the whole city of Patiala to be brought closer. I mean, you can tell immediately that the man is not in his senses. Nobody says Patiala ko idhar aana. You order a Patiala. You just say a Patiala pig. That's different. This guy doesn't want to... You're a non-drinker. You're proven to be a non-drinker, sir. Alright, we're moving on now with the numbers of COVID-19 cases rising. There will be no Holi this year. Finally, we're a secular country. We just cancel all the festivals. No Diwali, no Holi, no Parsi New Year, no Eid, no Christmas. All cancelled. Secular, nothing. Celebrate Saturday, Sunday. All right. Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, Odisha and other states have all banned public celebrations. So no bhang. No bhang, which is in our culture. Let me use the word parampara and Sanskriti because I use those two words when it comes to bhang. Yes, bhang is very important, but no bhang. No colors. No colors. That means my channel will close down? No. No colors. No colors. No Holi at all. But here's what could make you happy. Watch this, folks. This is a piece of news we found which will turn the tide in your favor again and make you remember those happy days of Holi when we were young. Take a look.
क्या आप परेशान हैं? क्या कोविड ने आपके उत्सव को बिगाड़ दिया है? क्या आपका त्योहार बेरंग हो गया है? क्या आप इस साल होली नहीं खेल सकते? क्या यह आपकी जिंदगी की सबसे खराब होली होगी?
हाँ भाई हाँ।
तो ये रहा आपके लिए उपाय। होली के लिए खास कोविड-19 बहुरंगी मास्क, विविध विविध रंगों में डबल एक्शन, एक कोविड से बचिए और दो आपके चेहरे पर रंग ले आइए। अब जाइए और मनाइए होली, जिसे आप हर साल मनाते हैं। कोविड-19 बहुरंगी मास्क, जाइए खेलिए होली। और अब कोविड-19 बहुरंगी मास्क के साथ कोविड वैक्सीन पिचकारी बिल्कुल मुफ्त। इस्तेमाल करने में आसान, सिर्फ पानी भरो और खेलो। कोविड-19 बहुरंगी मास्क और मुफ्त कोविड वैक्सीन पिचकारी। खेलिए होली और आपके कोविड के बेरंग जिंदगी में रंग लाइए।
Sad, folks. Very sad that today we can't celebrate, or rather this season we can't celebrate. Going back to my childhood, which was just last week, it was so beautiful because, we used to get up in the morning, put on all the color, run down, catch the oldest lady walking her dog or whatever and throw an egg on her head and then say happy Holi and smile. And we used to have those water bombs, those cannons, and we again find really old members of society, shoot them and say happy Holi. Hello. Yeah.
Forward. I humbly
What is the point?
pull up, pull power, chak the bhatta, so that style.
Angry is unnecessary. And if it happens once in 6 months, it's okay, na Prakash?